not evil by itself. It's just
Hello guys, today I'm going to Huawei Service Center, so I will have a experience about Huawei service in Bangkok. Well, let's see what they can do for me. Let's go.
all of us soulless, obsessive, compulsive pursuit of some pot of gold at the end of some rainbow which doesn't exist.
It's very tired. I walk long way. Look, I from that way to here, I think it's like 500 or 600 meters. I walked really like this hot weather. It's really tired a little bit. Let's say, oh look, True Digital Park. Let's say what we will see next. Look what I found. I cannot find the correct way to Huawei, but look what I found is Chinese mala, delicious food. But I cannot find the correct way to Huawei. I'm really lost. Okay, look, I found the correct way. Don't go to that. That is the BTS way, and you have to go down, and then this True Digital Park, and then you go to this True Digital Park lobby, and then go in, and you have to got a card. Wait. I saw the okay, I don't know if all of you can say it or not. The Huawei Service Center in a 6th floor. Okay, I will got my card. By time 6 ค่ะ. I got my card visitor, and then I go. Look, here is Huawei. Whole floor is Huawei. Okay, let's test the temperature. Oh, I'm sorry, the whole floor it's not whole floor. It's Huawei, it's half another companies, but it's like open space. Let's go to Huawei first. But here is beautiful. Okay, let's go to Huawei. I had to find the correct door. Oh my god. Hello ค่ะขอถามนิดนึงถ่ายวิดีโอได้ไหมคะได้ใช่ค่ะแล้วก็วันนี้จะอย่าทำscreen protector Hello, I really bye bye for this Huawei. Look, this Huawei really bye bye now because I just come into the office and then I ask, can you help me to make the screen protector? And they refuse me. I have Huawei pad, Huawei phone, but they can not do both of them. Continue. Like I have Huawei pad. I bought from Thailand, and I have Huawei Mate 30. And now what I'm using is Honor. All is from Huawei, but they cannot do fucking any service for me. I feel really off. I really feel like it's totally different experience in China because in China I think it's Tuesday and Thursday is the Huawei service day and they really have the good services. But here really it's really bad feeling, and the service day is nearly they doesn't have because they say just next month, I mean the December, the date number 2, number 3, number 4 is their service day. So what? Just 1 month you just have 3 days for your service day. I feel really make me off. The feeling not good, and it's totally have bad feeling and have the bad service in Thailand. I really hope if someone can see this video and you ready to improve your services. And I am Chinese, and as a Chinese, I really hope the Chinese brand can go out of China, can let all over the world people know about China, use the Chinese productions. But now your service like this, really, how to let the people to use it? And I'm really sorry to say, as a Chinese, I even don't want to come here again. So what about foreigners? And I'm crazy about Huawei productions, and now I really feel off. So as a Chinese, I say like that. So what about the foreigners? It's hard for them to accept your service like this. So really, it's make me feel sad. Today I just it's beautiful day, but why the service like this? I cannot understand it. So nothing more I want to say, but anyway, I really hope Huawei, some guys, you really can see this video to improve yourself. Yeah, that's it. So today, well, not really happy about this Huawei service. So that's it. Okay, bye bye.